Hello everyone, this is CS Shilpi Periwal and welcome back to our YouTube channel Shilpi's Academy. We do CA, CS, CMA courses for all the students. Apart from subject related videos, you will also find exam related tips, motivation and secret hacks which is gonna be very helpful. So our today's topic is that which all books should you refer for your CSET? Now most of the students who appear for CSET exam the first time that they're going for a professional course. They're fresh out of 12th and they have heard from their seniors or a lot of other people that you have to refer a lot of books for your professional exam. For CSE, this does not hold. For your CSE exam, your Bible, the only book which is most important book is your ICSI study material. Do not go for any other publication. It could be a coaching institute books or it could be anyone else's. If you are going to follow your coaching institute, first make sure that is exactly derived from the ICS. Like for example, even we provide study material for our CSET, but it is exactly like the ICSI study material. Change the layout, colors, and bold. That's all. This is how your ICSI study material has to be used for your CS exam because it's an MCQ exam, right? Everything that you get for your exam is going to be from somewhere around your ICS. So make sure that the first book that is very important for you is your ICSI study material. Next thing that you have to refer to is the MCQs. The previous year CS MCQ, whichever has come into the exam, make sure that you go through all of them. The third thing is your e-bulletins. E-bulletins are available on the ICSI website itself for the CSET. Make sure to go through all the e-bulletins till date. They have a lot of content, all the MCQs. They are very important. Make sure you go through those e-bulletins also. Now, supposing you are done with your study material, you are done with e-bulletins, you have practiced enough MCQs. What else, ma'am? While you were studying for your CSET, it could have been a face-to-face class or it could have been a recorded video. You should have taken down some notes. Either you could have written it on your study material or marked the important points or highlighted it or taken down some self-notes. They are very important. Make sure you go through your self-notes before the exam because that is something which will help you clear the exam. That is your handwriting, your own handwriting always stays in your mind. So make sure you refer your self-handwritten also. Now, apart from the study material, handwritten notes and your bulletins and MCQs, try to practice as much MCQs as possible for those topics. You could take the help of various MCQ books which is available in the market, or you could take help of various coaching academies also come out with their own MCQs on their Telegram channel. You could solve those also. We also have our 1000 MCQ book available at a very nominal cost. The link has been kept on the description box. You can purchase that book from there. Hardly for 99, have more than 1000 MCQ. In fact, we are coming up with even 5000 MCQ. So try to solve as much MCQs as possible for all the chapters. That is going to give you a lot of confidence that yes, you'll be able to crack this exam. So till then, make sure that you study from your ICSI study material and practice a lot of MCQ. We'll be out with the next very soon. Thank you.